10 things every homeowner should know before hiring a cleaning company. Hi, I'm Noriko with Noriko's House Cleaning, serving the Colorado Springs area since 2007. I've noticed a lot of things when I see random posts seeking a house cleaner. It's important that homeowners do their own due diligence before allowing anyone to come in. Therefore, here is reason number 1. Most homeowners don't think about insurance until something unexpected happens. One of the first things to understand when hiring a cleaning company is insurance. Insurance isn't paperwork, it's protection. A reputable company carries liability and workers' compensation, so homeowners are never put in an uncomfortable position if something goes wrong. It's not about expecting problems, it's about knowing you're covered. Peace of mind should always be part of the service.